FT from Arsenal Bangladesh, and welcome to another post-match reaction video. Arsenal 4, Leeds United 2. A brilliant game of football, and St. Valentine's Day massacre for Leeds and their goalkeeper. Duja near post goal and one penalty giveaway from their goalkeeper, and a great game of football for the neutrals, and a great game from Aubameyang as well. It's good to see him scoring goals, firing goals, and getting the smile back in his face. Brilliant game of football from Aubameyang and Xhaka as well. Saka was brilliant as well, and he terrorizes the defense. What a young talent he is, and this was a very good game. Though Leeds had a very good comeback in the second half, I have to say, but good game management at the end from Arsenal and Mikel Arteta. What a brilliant finish from Aubameyang. Have to say, what a clever striker he is. ও যথেষ্ট ক্লেভার। নর্মালি যেটা হয় যে গোলকিপার এটা অ্যাজিউমই করে নেয় যে he will go for the far post, and that's where he kicked in and he just went for the near post. The goalkeeper was wrong-footed, and brilliant goal in the brilliant first goal from Aubameyang. Before the second goal, I have to say, I won't debate on if it was a penalty or not, the incident that happened, but whenever the referees give this kind of decisions, it's always the 50-50 is always going against Arsenal, and I don't understand this. এগুলো যদি আমাদের এগেনস্টে হয়, they are very eager to go to the VAR and going to the monitors, whereas আমাদের ক্ষেত্রে they don't even check in the VAR, the referees. I don't want to debate on if it was a penalty or not, but according to my opinion, এটা যদি মানে এই ধরনের পেনাল্টি এই সিজনে আগেও দেওয়া হয়েছে, এবং এই সিজনের নেক্সটেও এই ধরনের পেনাল্টিকে জাস্টিফাই করা হবে যেটা একটা পেনাল্টি, বাট ফর আস নর্মালি ইটস সেইড ওকে ইট ওয়াজ টু harsh for the player to get a penalty for this and stuff. It was minimal contact and other stuff, and I think this is absolutely ridiculous from the refereeing side. I don't want to talk about it right now because it's true যে এটার জন্য আজকে we had scored 4 goals, that's why it will be submerged, but আমি বলবো যে if not every goal is like Leeds where you will score 4 goals. So in a game like where you need only 1 goal, this kind of decision matters. And the third goal was brilliant as well from Hector Bellerin, and again beaten the keeper in the near post. And the fourth goal from Aubameyang was a poacher's goal and a brilliant finish with the header. And it was a brilliant finish from Saka as well, with the ball he took and brilliantly maneuvered. Emil Smith-Rowe tried to go for the shot, but it was lucky that Auba was at the end of that. And I want to say that bringing on Willian, I still don't understand. I am এখন আমার মনে হচ্ছে যে প্রপারলি যদি ভিলিয়ানকে এভাবে নিয়ে আসা হয়, আই থিঙ্ক দে হ্যাজ টু বি সামথিং ইন হিজ কন্ট্রাক্ট দ্যাট হি হ্যাজ টু প্লে অ্যাটলিস্ট 30 games out of 38. Otherwise I don't see the point of bringing him on where we have Pepe, we have Martinelli, and I know there will be a game in Thursday যেটার জন্য অ্যাকচুয়ালি অনেক ফার্স্ট টিম প্লেয়ার্সদেরকে রেস্ট করা হচ্ছে, বাট স্টিল I don't understand why we opted to go for Willian. And though it is true in this window we have got rid of a lot of deadwoods, but what is the point if we are going to bring on deadwoods like Willian into the team? I want to see something in the really want to see something different in this coming summer window. I want to see an intent from the board. I want to see them some vision in the board, so that we don't bring in deadwoods like Willian. If we get rid of deadwoods like the other players we did in this winter window, then যদি সামার উইন্ডোতে ওদের মতো ডেডউডসই নিয়ে আসি, তাহলে অ্যাকচুয়ালি আমাদের লাভ কোনো হচ্ছে না. উই আর গোয়িং ইন সার্কলস if we are going with that. So let's see what happens, and let's see if we can actually bring in someone who actually will contribute for the future of Arsenal rather than just a temporary 2 or 3 years fix. Brilliant game, and hopefully we will this would do a great thing for Aubameyang's confidence in for the next match, and I would love to see Aubameyang, who has scored the first hat trick in his Premier League and 200 goals as well. Brilliant, and let's see if we can continue this form in Europa League as well. That is, we have to go all in Europa League, and let's see if we can get a Champions League football out of it. Come on, you Gunners! Really impressed with the performance. Let's hope we can continue for this form in Europa League as well. Come on, you Gunners!